everybody, it's Miss Whitney, and it's time for music and movement. I love being able to move and groove with my body because it helps me learn new words as I do actions that go along with them, and sometimes it even helps me with my counting as I try to keep up with the beat. Today, you can use your body to help you move and groove, or you can get some special instruments at home because today we're going to get to sing about two instruments. We're going to get to sing about using a bell, and we're going to get to sing about using a drum. Now, you may not have a bell or a drum at home, and that's okay. You can make your own. Did you know you could make the same sound as a bell with 2 spoons? Oh my goodness, and did you know that you could make a drum using that same spoon and a bowl or a plastic container? So if you want to go grab those instruments, go ahead. Otherwise, you can just use your body to move and groove. And let's get started singing. The first song we're going to sing about today uses a bell to try to wake up a really sleepy man. We're going to sing the song, Are You Sleeping? Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding dong ding, ding dong ding. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding dong ding, ding dong ding. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding dong ding, ding dong ding. The next song we're going to sing is about a silly man who loves to count and loves to use his drum by going knick, knack, patty, whack. Can you get your drum ready or maybe your hands to help you keep the beat as we sing This Old Man? This old man, he played one, he played knick-knack on my thumb with a knick-knack, patty-whack, give it out a bone. This old man came rolling home. 2. This old man, he played 2, he played knick-knack on my shoe with a knick-knack, patty-whack, give it out a bone. This old man came rolling home. 3. This old man, he played 3, he played knick-knack on my knee with a knick-knack, patty-whack, give it out a bone. This old man came rolling home. Number 4. This old man, he played 4, he played knick-knack on my door with a knick-knack, patty-whack, give it out a bone. This old man came rolling home. Number 5. This old man, he played 5, he played knick-knack on a hive with a knick-knack, patty-whack, give it out a bone. This old man came rolling home. Get ready for 6. This old man, he played 6, he played knick-knack on some sticks with a knick-knack, patty-whack, give it out a bone. This old man came rolling home. Next up is the number 7. Get ready to keep counting with me. Do you have your numbers ready? Here we go. Get your drum. This old man, he played 7, he played knick-knack up to heaven with a knick-knack, patty-whack, give it out a bone. This old man came rolling home. Next is number 8. This old man, he played 8, he played knick-knack on my gate with a knick-knack, patty-whack, give it out a bone. This old man came rolling home. Number 9 is next. Get your number 9 and drum ready. This old man, he played 9, he played knick-knack on my vine with a knick-knack, patty-whack, give it out a bone. This old man came rolling home. Last but not least is number 10. Get your 10 ready. This old man, he played 10, he played knick-knack all over again with a knick-knack, patty-whack, give it out a bone. This old man came rolling home. not least, we're going to sing all about the weather. For this song, you can use your bells or your drums or just your body to move and groove. Are you guys ready for It's Raining, It's Pouring? It's raining, it's pouring, the old man was snoring. He went to bed and bumped his head and couldn't get up in the morning. It's snowing, it's blowing, the old man is growing. He ate so much one day for lunch, every part of him is showing. It's warm out and sunny,